everyone, it's Courtney, and in today's video I'm bringing you part 6 of my rainbow series Indigo. For this video I'm going to be using the Beauty Bay Bright and Book of Magic palettes. To start, lay a concealer onto your eyelid as an eyeshadow base. Use a fluffy brush to blend the concealer evenly across your entire lid. Using a medium-sized fluffy brush, pick up the shade Stormy Night from the Brights palette and pack this into the outer corner of your eye. Bring that shade upwards slightly onto the lid and begin to slowly work it outwards and towards the temple. Pick up the shade Drama Queen from the Bright palette using a small blending brush and apply this in circular motions over the very edge of Stormy Night to begin the blending process. To blow out the very edge of the look, take the shade Sorcery from the Book of Magic palette on a very small blending brush and apply this directly over the edge of Drama Queen in small circular motions. Bring that same shade down onto the centre of the lid. Use a clean domed brush to pick up the shade Enchanted from the Book of Magic palette and set the brow bone area, as well as blending that shade Sorcery up towards the brow. Go back into the shade Sorcery using the same brush and reapply it into the areas that you did previously to enhance the pigmentation of that shade. Bring this shade further out towards the temple this time and inwards slightly into the inner half of the crease towards the inner corner. Dip back into Enchanted and soften the edges of the shade Sorcery that you had placed into the inner half of the crease. Once again, take the shade Sorcery and apply it into the inner half of the eye socket to deepen the crease area. Then pull this shade outwards towards the temple to elongate the shape of the eyeshadow look. Apply the shade Drama Queen into the inner half of the crease to add further depth into this area, also bringing it into the outer corner slightly. Take the shade Stormy Night onto a medium-sized brush and pack this shade back into the outer corner of the eye, using circular and windscreen wiper motions to blend this shade outwards towards the temple and throughout the crease towards the inner half of the eye. Take that same shade onto a smaller tapered fluffy brush and apply it directly into the inner half of the crease area. Use the shade Enchanted once again to blow out the edge of the entire look. This will soften the look and blend out any patchy or over pigmented areas. Take a concealer onto a flat brush and stamp it directly into the crease area to cut the faux crease shape. Tap out the concealer lightly with a fluffier brush to achieve a nice and even base. Choose a purple and pink toned pigment. I'm using Hocus Pocus by Peaches and Cream and apply this directly into the centre of the lid using a small flat brush. Use the remaining product on the brush to bring that shade slightly into the outer corner to carry across that shimmery duochrome effect. Then choose a teal toned pigment with a lilac and pink undertone. I'm using Mermaze by Peaches and Cream and pack this into the cut crease area using a flat brush. Use the remaining product on the brush to highlight the brow bone area. To start on the lower lash line, pick up the shade Stormy Night on a smudging brush and apply it directly up against the outer half of the lash line on the lower lid, bringing it outwards slightly to join the upper lid shadows. Apply the shade Drama Queen directly over the edge of that shade in small circular and windscreen wiper motions using a short domed brush. Take the shade Sorcery onto a small blending brush and apply it directly over the edge of Drama Queen, bringing it outwards towards the temple and inwards towards the inner half of the lower lid. Soften the edges of the entire lid area by applying the shade Enchanted with a domed brush. This will blow out the shadows and create a very nice smoky effect. Apply glitter glue into the inner half of the lower lid. Use the same purple toned pigment from earlier and apply this into the centre of the lower lid. Then take the same teal toned pigment and apply it into the inner half of the lower lid and into the inner corner using a pencil brush to highlight the eye look. Curl your lashes with an eyelash curler. Apply a generous coating of mascara to your top lashes. The lashes that I'm using today are the Doll Beauty Anastasia Lashes. You can use any fluffy long lashes you have available. Apply mascara to your bottom lashes. Now one eye is done, I'm just going to go off camera and come back when the other is finished. And here's the final Indigo cut crease eyeshadow look. If you found this video helpful or you're thinking of recreating my look, let me know by giving the video a like. Don't forget to tag me in your recreations at Courtney Beauty UK on Instagram, at Courtney Beauty _ on Twitter, and hashtag Courtney Beauty for a chance to be featured on my page. Remember to subscribe if you aren't already and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video, which is the giveaway winner announcement.